So many people that we meet on a daily basis have had their WhatsApp account hacked. And a lot of people send a lot of sensitive data in their WhatsApp account. They send files, they send bank details, they send passwords through it, and they share photos, maybe some good, some not so good. And one of the biggest reasons for this happening is because people are not locking down their WhatsApp account. So I'm going to teach you very, very quickly on how to do that. So the first thing you need to do is obviously open up your WhatsApp account. So I'm going to show you this on an iPhone. You can also do the same logic on a smartphone or Android or Windows phone, but I'll show you how it's done on an iPhone. So what you do is you look for your WhatsApp icon, you click on the icon, then down the bottom right, you see settings, you click on settings, then you go to account, then go to two-step verification, and then you click on enable. So once you've clicked on enable, you type in your 6-digit code, one that you'll remember, and then it will ask you to confirm it. You type it in again, and then it will also ask you to put in a backup email address, just in case one day you need to recover your account. So I cannot recommend this highly enough. It's not going to ask you every time you log onto your WhatsApp account, but it will every few months or every few weeks, it'll just quickly test you and make sure that you are the one that's actually the legal owner of the WhatsApp account. So please share this information with everybody you know, because this is the fastest way we're going to stop hackers and scammers